Hey you guys, what's up? So today we're going to be using the new Urban Decay 24/7 inks to create this look that I have on my eyes. I'm also going to be doing some full swatches for you guys. But check out how huge this PR package is. It is ginormous. And opening it up, it looks a little something like this. And she is rocking that eyeliner. And I thought this was so cute. There's a little spinner on the inside here, so you can pick what color you want to use for the day. So these are pretty much like the liquid liner version of the 24/7 liners by Urban Decay that we all know and absolutely love. These come in 9 shades. They have an ultra sharp tip and a precision grip. So let's go ahead and swatch all of these. Starting us off, we have the shade 0. This is the black. And it looks like this. Next, we have Binge. Here we have Whiskey. Here we have High Energy. And it's kind of like a silvery, glittery blue. Next, we have Oil Slick, which is kind of a sheer gray brown. Here is Deep End. Next, we have Mucho Mucho. Here we have Freak. And last but not least, we have Ozone. And when these dry down, they become completely smudge proof. If you guys would like to see how I got this look on my eyes using the Urban Decay 24/7 inks, then just stay tuned. All right, so what I'm doing first is just creating some rainbow goodness on my eye, and then we're gonna do our graphic liner using the 24/7 inks by Urban Decay. So we're starting out with Mucho Mucho first, and I'm just creating a squiggly line. Next, I'm going in with Freak, and I'm just placing this on the outer portion of this yellow. Now I'm going in with Binge, and that's gonna go on the inner portion of this yellow. And then taking Ozone and just outlining this green. And then I'm just adding those same colors to the inner corner. Well, that is it, you guys. I just want to say a big thank you to Urban Decay for sending me the 24/7 inks to try. And thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll be back with another video very soon. Bye, you guys.